Everyone, today we are going to discuss about the equations of motion for freely falling bodies. Already in last video we have discussed about the freely falling body. Since the freely falling bodies fall with the uniformly accelerated motion, when simply we can just understand, and in very much detail we have already discussed. Now in such situation, three equations of motion derived earlier, like earlier we have used this equation of motion. Now some changes will take place in this one. This equation of motion is for the linear motion, when a body is moving in a straight line and just getting the acceleration a. But in this situation, now we are going to discuss some changes we are going to do, like a will be replaced by g. A will be replaced with g. A is acceleration and g is acceleration due to gravity. Distance is converted with the height. Distance is converted with the height. Here earlier we were used to use distance. Now we are using height. Now another changes we are going to do: height and distance, acceleration due to gravity. Some more changes are coming in the sign. That further I will just explain you in such situations, like when a body is falling vertically downwards. Suppose a body is lying here and falling vertically downwards. Suppose this is the surface of earth and gravity already pulls all the objects near towards its center, and object is also coming here. Both are coming in the same direction, so the gravity will be plus. Already a gravity is pulling and this is also coming in the same direction, so what we can say, both the gravities will be add. So in such situation we can say gravity will come in the positive one. When a body falling vertically downwards, its velocity is increased, so the acceleration due to gravity is taken positive. G is equal to plus 9.8. Now in the other case, when a body is thrown vertically upward, in this situation we are pulling the body and velocity will decrease because gravity will pull in the opposite direction. So that is why acceleration will be in the minus form. So G will be, in this situation we will take G is equal to minus 9.8. Two cases till now we discussed. One, when the body is coming downward direction, when the falling in downward position, G plus. When the body is moving in upward position, that time we can say whenever a body will be thrown upward side, we will say G is equal to minus 9.8. Some more cases, like when a body dropped freely from a height. Suppose a person is dropping a body from this height, means earlier the initial velocity of the body u was 0. So in this situation, whenever a body was falling dropped freely from a height, u will be 0. And in the other case, when a body is moving upward, is thrown vertically upwards, when it is reaching to a highest peak point and then coming back, means when final velocity became 0, then only the body start moving. If velocity will remain, then it has to move little more up. When it is not going up, directly coming down indicated, and is at the particular point final velocity became 0. So in this situation we will take V is equal to 0. Till now we have discussed 4 cases. When a body will be thrown vertically upwards, V velocity will become 0. When we will discuss means some 4 cases we have discussed, when V will be 0, when U will be 0. V will be 0, V means a final, a body will reach in a highest position. Whenever a body will reach to a highest peak position, at that time we can say the final velocity of the body will become 0. Because if suppose any velocity will remain still in that, then the body will reach up, little more up. It will not come forward itself until V will be 0. Final velocity will be 0. So in this case V will be 0, U will be 0 when a person is just dropping a body, or a body is dropped freely. Here body is in the hand or in the rest position, starting from there, that is why U. Initial velocity 0. In another case we can say G will be minus, Y minus, whenever the direction will be in opposite direction. As Earth is pulling towards its center, but body is moving in the another direction. If body will move in the same direction, G will be positive. Body is also falling vertically downwards, and gravity is also pulling in the same direction. Both are in the same direction. G will be positive 9.8. So after this 4 case, one thing we can discuss: the time taken by a body to rise the highest point is equal to the time it takes to fall from the same height. In both the cases, we can say the time taken has to be equal. Thank you very much.